Taste Beauty JoJo Siwa Nail DIY Kit with over 80 pieces. Create your own nail design. 80-plus piece DIY nail set includes 2 nail polishes, nail file, sticker sheet, faux nail stickers, 2 toe separators, 2 glitter pots, set of faux nails. Makes great gift for any JoJo fan. Officially licensed product. All of Taste Beauty products are cruelty-free and never tested on animals. Taste Beauty JoJo Siwa Nail DIY Kit with over 80 pieces. Create your own nail design. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome. The gift is cute, but a little disappointed that I spent what I spent on it, and when I received the gift the purchase price on it was $5. It's a good idea to take off any price tags before shipping a package out.